ɛna nwumire hyia obi bia hyia Ghanafoɔ no nyinaa na nwumire obi biara a ɔhwɛ me ne ɛwɔ line wei so pacha obiara on try not me share on share na message we enko na andu na nado ho e mampeni ho se the entity nana ningwase emfatao disgrace emfatao bebi wedu wa fight also wa fight why your promises nyina wa fulfill Ghana for so ehun say wa fulfill there. I think say shortcut no shortcut no afide eye o dey atata Ghana for dodo shortcut no too much. Obroni can be say and abrofo can be say see too much of everything is bad. Yo den a so no be kati ba wo kati kakra ajaye enye force chinchina say wo kati sword akati sword is akati still guzu kati sword is afunu nkrofo afunu mu enne ma wo yesa o sisi anade na afunu mu adina from mu sword no because time we enye sword cutting time we I say nema wa ye na wo komenshi yo ye kan obeka say na NDC phone so the same thing to be ye enye no nti obi aye no previous time nti wo so be ye enye no nti na avodia ma wo ye di 2 minutes ma wo say wa ye di 2 minutes ma wo say obetumi aye ye nim say na Ghana for wo ejidie na rehwemu ewo mu se obetumi aye oba na oba beye ni ye ba oba ya no nana bohye na wahye Ghana for ni nyina bohye mu edu bohye titiriwa the important promises are I say wo so mu at least 4 or 5 of them na I say wo so mu no tumi wie o mission no anka wadi nkunim aka enye nansa na obekati so disa mana frunipa ningwase disgrace started coming or disgrace is all over around you adey nana ejuma na wo ni swandi hu na wo see a visionary leader, a vision leader. I will say leader, we a leader who vision oni nyina wo hin nana ni nyina wo hin sisi a Ghana for ye hu yi o ye hu o hihye a o hihye no ye hu ni yi o emre we say ye hu ni ama wa ye awie ama oman no na uduma nkasa akasa ma wo asemo awakọ otofo a okache o yasen kese pa no akache wo we ti se we obi a se bisi wa dwumu do nobody tisas man say you might think say okan no okan no in favor mo say okan no in the name of who favor say bia be favor wo in other way nso no ebinu say na indirect way ebi na ezisi awo wo say we dwuma no ebe kasa ma wo dwuma wo de call de ko bo dwuma no ro dwuma na wo ye no dwuma na wo ye to ho no wa wie no dwuma na wa ye no ko bo hu de ro kire nkrofo na wo to abama wo ba se say de dwuma no de ni wo ntumi dwuma no de we am me expect say wo bo dwuma no wo be bo dwuma no de ro no enko no sa wo afide ye hu sa bi mu nana se na ye hu 2016 no 2020 ye hu sa bi mu na wasisa nana akufado wasisa papa what disgrace ye bi no munsu because the expectation na the we are ye hu say we wo vision wo betumi ye wo akukudro wo betumi ye no nana den na esi wo power no o party mu den na esi People around you, are they not helping you? Because if they were to help you, now they were helping you, the disgrace can see we are two. No, anka minyesho say two, and you say two. Aden, then as you wamemunsu. Ube yeli da never be esi, ni kwansa omusi then esi. Wa ma onkrofo sika so omufa nko ya ade, omufa nko ya adwuma, omu amfa sika na anko nko ya adwuma no, omu wi sika no di ye. Sika di basa omu di sika no. Enti adwuma na yesa omu nye no, omu antumi anye. Dwuma na wo share bo 2016 bebre se obeye no. Na you have the vision which you're supposed to do. You should be able to do it. But the enti nkrofo na omu ben wo. Nkrofo na omu enti o dis kanu ma omu. O di edwuma no show omu sansa omu ye no. Omu anko ye edwuma no omu dis kanu. Anka yesa so chi omu. Obi a we dis ka omu mo anka yesa otumi chi omu because these are the most important reason. The reason ntina oman Ghana vote more, the youth no vote more, the oman Ghana ni nyina vote more be say omu vote more say be ye president no. This is the most important. It's also part of the important agenda, the agendas or the reason ntina youth no vote more. But oba ye no omu dis ka no omu anye adwuma no. Wo so wan che omu. After the one who say you are trying to cover them in other way by using the shortcutting no. Edia influence and edia confuse Ghana for edia vote. Is a Ghana for so no omu nie bie. Is me kasa bia me kasa me kan bia no anytime I speak no me catch him say is Ghana na any momu no they are not the same Ghana again no. We are not still those Gold Coast Ghana again no. Now maza we are in the computer living. We are in the computer system. See how obi ready, obi to me dream deep. Obi to me at least a dream to say deeper. Now those days na anymore na you follow parties ni keke. Na you dream man no mu. But see anu nkofo bebre ti ase ba. Enti enye sword na obekati bebre na mema wo wini o. Nana call back. Nkofo na wo dis dwuma na hye omo san anye ne ye omo amode sika ni nyina no omo nyina ka ho na ene ne ngwase we ka wo. Chichi omu nyina na fantum. Chichi omu nyina obi a wodi sika bia wo Ghana sia. Edi Ghana sika, edi Ghana bro. Ko chinu tum. Chinu na prosecute you no. So wo chi omu nyina, chi obi bia so ye obi a wodi sika wa memum nyina because those are the things. That's the trust that we have. Trust na e wo ma wo no. Ayira wo. There's no transparency. There's nothing like transparency. Tisi anu bia ye basare ehu hwe so. Ehu de ekoso o man no. Ye kan free Jesus eno mo de ma o. Nana free Jesus no wo nkwa na o ye yo. Wo be ka cho say na Ministry of Education den nana wo na o ye ko hwehwe mu enu kra ko mu ne ko hwehwe mu yie. Ne ma esisi wo nko. Wa fa wo ne to fom na hwehwe mu yie. Omumwa wo nkrofo mumwa wo sike wia sike die pese mi kuminya enu nti wan ya we lose election way because of that no so person will lose until you are trying every possible best or every possible means to win the power and cannot bre obre nyina kana ni kwase obre too much say wa wo power no and cannot ni kwase obre too much say but say wakati so wa I don't know say I say why you desperate the power? Desperate for power. So chinchina I say unya. Until you are doing everything possible. Say what the dada Ghana for me to abamo. And yet that this year and say that that's how. This year yempe danda o. Yempe we don't want to be deceived again. We want action. We want justice. Action. The word action. Now we want your action. Take decision. Take bold decision. Arrest your own people, your ministers, your MPs. Those anybody will be how or do your minds can chenu. Ne jai sword in the jai kati. Ehunya kra. What kati be ye traso. After the chiomu. Ne fa omutum. na Ghana for won say omu dremu say 10 years 15 years 20 years po o de omu etu mo jom da mo japade here because obi ba aban mu a na on kita car na o kita kra na alacha ba be fira ba mo na o kita fie na o kita den o market you say ena tumi yesa na nyina kronu na omu bo kronu ena omu bo ne nyina no ntumi nchi omu na ne nyina so Ghana for ti o esi ni de bia as they break and night comes ni nyina no na esi ni nyina no na Ghana for hwe na omu ti o na e call masomo eti akọ masom dada de omu awi a wontumi nsaka omu wontumi nchi omu na you move them from one office to another, one ministry to another. Ni nyina Ghana for ni nyina ye hu ye ti. And say if say who be say how do you think say the Ghana for no be wo arehemu bi wo mu anagide bi wo mu say we say na wo kan some time ago say yeah straight yeah justice man justice no where is the justice? You can't find it. Justice is living around us. Justice is at our door knocking. Justice is even in our toe. Justice is beside us. Justice is all over us. But we can't implement it because of fear, because of corruption. Nana, I feel we so now Kati by this time no won here. I won ya ebia na obia ntumi o personal advisor o personal den ebia na obia ntumi anye den anka nkyere o obia ntumi anka nkyere o ti me use platform we edia bie na masu bi nyama bi musu edia kyere o say bibi say ekoso skana odi ama won krofo so adwuma no mo anye o enti oman ni nyina bu afu even wa won krofo no a mo ban okra no some of them no mo afu ba mo ntumi kan kyerɛ because mo ben o pa too close no mo pe no mo benefiting because it's only few people that are benefiting and others are annoyed, they are angry. But no mo ntumi kan kyerɛ bia no mo ntumi kan kyerɛ enti may use platform we e dey aka asem nukwe we kyerɛ e dey abie na ma we so kyerɛ me dey bie so keke e dey kyerɛ ti obi biara de sa ka video we on share o make sure say wa share mana akọ platform just say na ya na ni sabeka. Could you believe say even scanner would am almost mo fanye juma define development project e wo man no and work wo man no a mo fanye pokra no ni nyina e chikura common COVID-19 even enu kwa keke na ka say ofa oni to phone common COVID-19 yare we ba no enu po asan expose nyama bebre ba de ba kwa na wo ye no say omu ya de no na eba fa na eba wo ni ground no enti omu nka no kra kire wo enti eya en defend omu eya se BBC a na omu bo amani a en defend omu directly omu just don't just go straight to defend your people. Nyama bisi nso e ka wo na Ghana for omu bufu me bo nyama na e ka wo nyama na so wan hwe wo ye wan hwe wo so ye wo be lose election na me kire wo no COVID-19 we ba ye mu na wo chiche ma wo se mu sika na wo de mu wo so mu bisa we from mu nyina bisa wo se den poti ana sika no mu use ni say what me bisa wo no so bisa mu so action ben and I want to be take here because me nim say nkrofo bebre mu no omo nua ya no omo titi mo no say nkola teaspoon no mo te bia 4 5 egum no mo di nkusua baako e de account mo wie no package sa aduane no e betumi adu even 5 cedi ba sembe na mo ka che Ghana fo about sa scan no mo di amamu so mo fanye adwuma no scan no won na bisa omu say obia menye proper account emo catch you so open transparency and a good accountability o be ya good account ma wo na wa fa onu to hwem fa onu to fom de ye wa investigation wo wi a wo be hu no kra ewo mu wo hu no kra wo mu emo na omo chiche omo nua chiche no owo fe say nipa obi nipa da se ni ma mo jollof rice ana fry say dey o pack I end one pack po nipa betime adu na pa enwumere wi a ba anka say emokura na mo chiche raw na mo chiche kura e bia nipa betime achemu de bi aye rice water de bi aye emo ankasa obi de bi e de bibi fura ope ba mo wan kro na mo pese mo bo nti. You shouldn't decide for the you are giving something to somebody, but you shouldn't, when giving the thing to the person, you can't, the thing does not belong to you again, and you don't have any power to instruct the person, to tell the person what and how the person is supposed to use the thing. No. Who didn't say fama, but because of chrono, we only understand one thing about chrono, and you be just canon. Yanga say abekọ konua ma wo ne atita ma wo obeka che so se na ye a ebesu omu se na ye abia na oni bidie na oni den onim se wadwene nyina ehunti na wo no ekonua aye na odi bro omu obi asoma wo MP for minister for omu amu yesade nyina obi asoma mu se mo nua de no mai cause kronu anu so kan no kra mu kan ti ade bia omu ye bia no nipa da se no se no kra ni mo ntenye papa because pounds say among phones e faso eyeye yare we abai say yesi ebe ko makasa yesi ebe ye thorough investigation among for ma film ayeye no enye it's not small people. You know, small people where they gain out from this business. It be business. They think people passing body make big time money. I tell you. All this, now you think say your people are helping you. They are doing the work. They are not doing nothing. They just can't chop the money. Now we can't reach election time. Can't see the way they rush my areas. Can't see the way they rush the area. Can't see the way they rush the areas. You see, I'm gonna for who say move to me cocoa transit for so many years, 4 years. Say do last year now. I feel na muba na no mu de omo ahye keep friend dem mu keep say boys no kwa no mu de omochi no mu ride bicycle okwa abra from no mu ride bicycle okwa I feel no mu drive bola car okoboy kra de na ya misere no okoboy ni de onukra ni de na ya misere kosuti wa o transisa bisa denti na o tu abama about power. When you came to power in the first year, why didn't you do something like this? I didn't want to nyame bisa otwa na ebebe we ya afede o mi na mini hwehwere mu mama nyena teshifo hu say oh nkoboy dey good opanipa ya o di ni hu ben nipa masa si ya bin a chance sa level no si ya nim sa strategy ni nyina yen no na yen si ya pe gani ya pe niama ya pe just ya pe clear ya pe transparency. That is what you want in the enu na yen say betumi de o man akwa animu say obi wi aska mo be chi no sa na man na ya pe obi wi ya o manager pade obi say o manager pade ya be chi no obi ba mi ba pa na party bi ba na o metua ne nyonko djuma so ya be chi no because or cause financial loss to the state, to the country. Because the owaje go on one ebe kwa to aso you will never finish it now, and it can never be used when it's not yet done or it's not done. You see na sa aska no bia e dan na dunu aka dan no so mu nto aso mu so mu mbogu na no so aka na fufura ba na no so asa be start fufura fresh na fufura ba na no so be start fufura fresh on continue ni na mo de wia na mo de cause financial loss to the state. Kana we ni nyina na efisa na kana na do wo yesa na wa chisho mu but wo be dan chi omu so omo yo nkrofo nti uchi omo a enye yi uchi omo a omo be ma lose about 2020 uchi omo a omo campaign atiawo uchi omo a omo yi wa ma enti e me ntumi nchi omo ma me nkava omo wakava omo sa emra we du musisi a wakava omo sa ewu gusu kava omo now we expect the Ghana for nije na mu ma ore fi Kalepo ore fi Nana Kalepo Nana Akufo-Addo President Nana Akufo-Addo ye mampeni Nana Akufo-Addo ore fi Kalepo no kai Kalepo no ne kai bohia oye kai Kalepo no ne kai bohia dodo a waye bohia mu edu bohia hu hia Ghana for bohia Ghana for penti na mutu abama kai ne kom ne koye den kai Kalepo no ne kai omu nyina ne hwe se enu any sword no de yin na hu hia Ghana for wo yo misika na waji unjiye den na ekoso o man na mi de hye wa wo se wa ja hun sa ma wa ja hun ade ese wo ye na aka wo betu maintain wa ja hun sa ma nkola na omu de wechi no omo use wo ma fa wechi ma use wo mo wa fa hun de ayeye mo fa hun de ayeye the setup now wow set here no say you should benefit your omo amu ben wo no omo amu ben wo akasa no nso no omo nyina ka wo omo anya adwuma mo aka wo na disgrace we ka we ne abobapu so nanti na o ni na odi ni tu pepa amanfo dan wo kwa office o ye obi o office o ye obi o say nkrofo no office o say nkrofo no mu dan ba ne refize na ni tu ana odi yesa no na ni tu ene be ye kro ni refi se oba fine ya se odi ni tu po etwe fom mpo no o se oba fine etwe fom a ni tu ni ntuma ene hu amane oba fine se oba fine po so oba fine se oba fine so twi ni tu fom a ni ntuma ene hu amane oti wona nkola we mu eye di omo pe oti wona omu amu ye nkola ama wonu omu ye di omo pe ye wa haya na wa opposition for no omu raise NDC for raise issue against you say wa koye family and friends ye Ghana haya na who use the same thing but who use against my say no so be family and friends who so ba ye no wo de no kra bobo na wan say wa nkrofo bebre wo fiefo abusianfo bebre e dey share system government no wo dey share politics wo dey share adwuma no say thinking say you mo betumi a harvest sorry mo betumi a take Ghana we come take in charge of everything so that it will become like a bet is a muchendi is a muchendi we na mombo is a muchendi and a mombo complete no office no nanado president nanado no office onu na aba no mo be bo muchendi we bo Ghana for muchendi no munchiche sika no munchiche go sika munchiche we sika asase no mu tonton rough German for asase from same na mu refi say ni nyina na Ghana for hwe na mu refi say ni nyina na Ghana for no omo adwuma bie sisi a omo adwuma bie rough no mu hwe ni nyina no fi say mu dada omo keke mu mayen dada omo mayen kati sword ma omo na me wo de ofa ha bebia Dr. Bawuma bebia obefa bia wo de ofa ho no ma kati sword me so me fa me kati nyina be kati saa na mo pɛ ye katima mo a esa ma mo ne gi ene yetumi di eno ejimi o Ghana fo ye njimi zi a Ghana fo no ye njimi ye ni ati o ti se jisa jimi strategy na mu yi film kura na mu ye depa you people should do the right thing. That be all. People should do the right thing. If you start steal money, they give you money. You president can give you money. Use the money to do good thing for the system, for the country. Fa wo de fa mu fa bi ejuma. Skana mu wi akora no. Mo fa skana mu bi ejuma ngu oman no na ejuma ngu oman mu na ma obia enya bi ye. Mo ma ejuma ngu akro no mu na obia everybody forget the job some do. But you go steal the money, go invest the money to here. Go use the money to open more factories. No, because they go check, they go do investigation and get the background of your success. So your source of money. So you don't want to do. If something I go move, I go transfer the money, go my outside account inside. Then later I go invest for somebody in country inside. You forget what you do, you develop somebody in country. Where you collapse your country. Eti economy yesi GDP akosoro yesi we akosoro ni nyina sebi na ye de nya sanse ade na ye ni nyina aka ho na ye system no e fall because ye the system no e bua amaman fo mo system no a e ko anim na ye de ni fall common sense mo ma ye use se mu ni musu na mu ntumi mu ni musu na mu abronti na mu nya sisi anu wake up serious because you see how they we are sick and tired of this kind of systems. Ni nyina ka una yedi wo gidi wona na musa ka oba betumi deal with these criminals, these crooks. Nkrofo amu wi aban mu sika mu fa nya de power man mu mu de di kosasem mu de di masem mu de nkola asem. De ni kwanso mo fast kan no mu di ye mu bi edwuma gu kromu egu kromu na kromu nye shop anka e bia so anka sword we kra anka ukati anka o bi se wa odwuma kra odwuma na aka sabe kasa ma o ka mi ameti akra me kan bia ma o ba no ye hu hwi o ye hu hwi afede wa fry ni wi afede o san hwi anwua o san you blend us finish you now still they put some for high top. You blend us already where you want still they put some for high top. Nana Akufo-Addo, President Nana Akufo-Addo, may they tell you the truth, say this time it no be the correct time for cutting sword. Oh, the sword is too much. This one be too much sword. Who the piano do? Afunu ye. Ohu di ohini di o. Ohu nwase ohini di edi o. Anka na ni kwan say enye sa. Anka by this time nyama yesa wo ye nyama wo kan 2016 anka otumi ye at least the major ones no. Factories na gu won ma munye watumi aba beto aso we bie wa cocoa no wa ja cocoa no I'll make sure say the cocoa refining no eye adwuma timber processing eye adwuma bia eye adwuma o man mu aka wo check isa nyama no o bia bo yasika wa chi no enu kra na ehia mo yasika o man mu aka wa chi o mo na ye most important thing for me ka to me chi o mu kra wa wie e dey account free aka wa wie ba wa anya hwie kro no de wa kra wa be tai chire dindin eba no say wa na ba o ta be ka che say obi na confuse obi na di wan hu ade ni ye nipa no o ma confuse wo nti na wan tumi a ko san paper bia wan wo say wan radio say wan nye den o nipa da se ni dwin wan on ti ase na wo san afi de wa ba be ka che say wo ba out e be ka che say na wo hu yi emi say we di nyina ma Ghana fo omo amu to abama 2016 na ma omo gidi na ewu preoccupy about you. The mattress, everything just die one time about you. That be why you suffer the cat sword like this. Like if you know the cat sword plenty like this, because some areas you for tackle, you live there. You live there, you go to tackle different area. For now, say, it be only phrase there's maybe something will be the most something maybe I want to a public will be expectation be say and no pay that is apart from that the only good thing I want to be provided is our free HSS. And to me, and it's not enough. And sue you. You were expecting more than this, Nana. More than this. Far more than this. What will they expect? You know, be free because you know be free HSS, you know be free HSS alone. The things where the ground itself need, you will leave them down. You forget you dog them. You after free HSS, we know after senior high school no free senior high school no what you do again. Now you jump where people them a company where they open, you just give them some small money. No meaning that you come back, they come outside, they can't tell us, hey, you this one be here, one this is one down. Why? Some of the factory we know them already. Some of the factory we know them, some companies we know them long time. It began how we already. Nana, you forget. It began how we already. So we didn't know what they happen, we didn't know what they go on, then what they can happen, then what they move on or the movement or we know. We know, you know, we say we don't know, we know. We know the movement. We know the movement. So me, the truth be say, Masa, the sort way the cat right now, the you know the year. Because the companies too, we could give them those money, say they be one district, one dam project, one district, one factory project, you know. Me I know say those money or it burn. You know be something where Ghana go fee get them. Then put for Ghana account or the country Ghana commercial bank, they will go take, they don't get themselves. Because the person, this one is not a government, you can't catch a private company. Then private company. Uber is not catch say Uber one this is one factory. Uber no private. Who catch say? Mufi say Jimmy. Mufi say Jimmy. You Ghana for a Jimmy. And Jimmy you. We no fool. We Ghana people we no fool. You put things say we Ghana people we fool. Now we no fool. You are our leaders. We now. Me I tell you people say those days we put with the fool as now we Ghana people now we know the street no fool again no the youth no fool the Ghana people we no fool we they see everything we they hear everything like if you do your own company your own factory sir nana like by this time you know be time wait for the castle like by now you be say even you yourself you go there house where you go see some of the youth the squad way for the do campaign give you yourself check around yourself. They see your own people with them fought for you from those days. Some people 10 years, 15 years. Just check around yourself. She say they don't left you. They left you. They left you because things the expectation, things they expect from you, you don't deliver. You don't fit deliver the things. So they boy you, so they for leave. Because now we all now the whole Ghana most of the population that might trust they say you come and you go be justice, you go be street, you go feel arrest people with steal money, you go feel deal with people where they do bad thing, you go feel make our security system be tight, you go feel make our port be tight, harbor be tight, the barriers for be tight. You believe say you come no. Even these Chinese people with the mind and they cut what you feel arrest all of them. You arrest them. You go put them 1 day, 2 day. You leave them. But when you arrest a citizen, you jail him for long. Why? We see, and you're getting. Ena amas is ya no. You are not within yourself. You are not okay with yourself. This I say, who should also be loose. But this is not the time. From the beginning, to can I say, "Never be one myself." Who ye? anka o hihye ni yanka, but this time sure say enye sword way and na obe kati size amana fro in na afi the essence the any kwan say no what dey wo ye. And if you go fit get a chance if for arrest the people with the chop money, the election no come yet. Now before the election they come, arrest people wey chop money, no be people wey innocent souls wey they talk them and brain, they talk what they affect the country. Innocent soul wey they talk the truth. Innocent soul wey they know daily part of it. If they see something the way they say maybe so they talk them. Start they arresting them. Start they close down the radio station, then TV station. Start they close down those things. Then focus on arresting the people, the armed robbers in the system, in the government. Arrest them, prosecute them, jail them. 10 years, the lowest will be 10 years. If you jail one person, the system will change, and they tell you. That be the secret, that be the key. Now this be the key they give you. They give you key, the real key. Because now what the youth or what the people are expecting from you is to arrest the criminals, prosecute and jail them, the evildoers. People who commit a crime, people who steal and kill, unnecessarily you arrest them, not innocent souls. No innocent souls sitting now, baby, say they are suspected armed robbers. No, not them. Arrest. Armed robbers are around you. Nana, you have plenty armed robbers around you. Arrest them first. A seer, you cannot have a seer in your house and invite another seer to come and tell you what is in your family. No, you already have a seer, so you cannot invite another seer to come. We don't have a seer in our house and invite. You cannot have a seer in your house and invite another seer. That is what I mean. Who are cronfo who fear that? Cronfo are more trying to share in a way of cronfo. Arrest you first. And you will be by our wati a crown our dream. I be one. Wanya ni gari biedi. Wanya ni gari biedi ubechina edi akase odi kotum. Say or a suspected robber. Omo amube wa mushe coat no yi, ma omo yi obian yi ku coat na hwe. Omo nyina ya robber. Omo ye criminals no omo ben. It's only few. Our bones omo ye geni. Omo maka ni nyina ye conform. Majority is a criminal. I'm telling you. The sort near jai. Ne jai innocent so nzu chichi wokron. Go straight to the root of the tree. Cut the tree. If there's a saying, if you want to kill the tree, cut the root. Don't cut the branches; it will not die. When you cut the root, you can be able to uproot it easy. So tackle the root. Tackle the corruption from your own office and your people, from your people. Then all this disgrace. Amount for a to betra. We obi biara ni sabe ka video on share Emma Nanado, President Nanado na ni sanka. Se mensi ni nkrofo no. Omo na mo ye krofo. Omo amwa mo share. The ministers MPs no mo ye krofo. It's only few bipe and omo ye genuine omo ye adwuma. Omo maka ni majority 90% omo ye criminals. Who this come on some fan we are more fine. No matter so. Messi, you cannot have a seer in your house and invite another seer who Tom. The patch say, I rob into me new fee. No, sorry, I did out fear now, so now you share cronfona where you are dear. Who if you say the oben or the auto if you know or your robber? Chionu first, the Fanko police station. Send him to the police station and let the police people interrogate him, and you see the truth. I'm about to me we are bra on ben wa bra on nim hwe about who and I want him be behind for before he can steal you, meaning he knows you, he knows something about you. He know where to pass and what to do before he can steal you. Nti chichi wa nkrofo mo amu ben wo no. Chichi omu na investigate omu yie. Na jai nkwala na innocent so na mo go kwan because of politics nti omu say omu the other parties nti na mo chichi omu for unnecessary things. So omu ye suspected armed robbers. Now with the real armed robbers no one more we any suspected. The ministers and MPs no more majority of them no. Omu armed robbers. Omu de omu yes and some suspected armed robbers. Omu ye armed robbers. Dada. Nukra wa nchi omu. Afere wa jai omu si ho. Wo kodi amanfo obi a fita no pakro anya bi endi a woti ni kwan wa se card na obo se dam na obo na abechi no so suspected armed robber. Enti de na de oben wo no wotumi ye omu adwuma wie. President Akufo-Addo wotumi ye omu adwuma wie. Na sisi a why mrew sisi a why loose ye hu yi chichi omu jai sword ndi jai sword ne katikra na chichi omu na solution no chichi omu na tutu nyama yi o man bempo